Ang South Korea may paggera daw para sa Pilipinas. Wow, magandang balita to At pinagbantaan pa ang China. At kasi nga, ang South Korea ay may utang na loob noon sa Pilipinas nung World War II. So, okay to Ang South Korea may pagdigmaan na laban at tutulong sa Pilipinas in case na magkaroon ng gera. Magandang balita to So, ito ang bibigyan natin na reaction video komentaryo, suggestion, at kung ano yung mga saloobin nyo, pwede rin naman kayo mag-comments diyan. Okay? So, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, guys please like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel bago tayo mag-umpisa. Also, siyempre, paki-subscribe din kay Melbs Castle So, itong video na to sa kanya to. So, bibigyan lang natin ng reaction video to komentaryo. Kasi ito yung maiinit na balita sa ngayon, tungkol sa West Philippine Sea. Ito. Dahil itong ma-incheck na to, itong mga Chino na to, napakagahaman sa mga isla natin dyan, So, ito, umpisa na natin.
Ito na ba ang simula ng pagtatatag ng Asian NATO? Nasa Pilipinas kasi ang presidente ng South Korea, President Yoon Suk Yeol. Nagpapasalamat ang Pangulo ng South Korea noong Korean War. Pilipinas lang naman ang may pinakamaraming pinadalang sundalo para lumaban sa giyera para sa South Korea. Kilala ang South Korea bilang strategic defense partner ng Pilipinas. Dito pag-uusapan.
Kaya pala magkaalyado at magkaibigan ng South Korea at ang Pilipinas. Dahil nga yung panahon ng World War II, ang Pilipinas ang nagpadala ng maraming sundalo sa South Korea para tulungan ng South Korea na makipaglaban doon sa kanilang kalaban. Ganun pala istorya niyan. Kaya nga, pero sa ngayon, mas malakas ngayon ang South Korea in terms sa military. Kaya nga, may pagtulungan ang South Korea at may paggera talaga laban sa mga Chekwa. Tutulong talaga sa Pilipinas.
Pampalalo ang pagpapalakas ng depensa ng ating bansa. Lalo na't mas lalong umiinit at tumitindi ang gulo sa West Philippine Sea. Makakaasa raw ang ating bansa ng suportang pandigmaan gaya ng ibinigay nating suporta noon sa Korea during Korean War. Pagpapamukha na rin to sa China na kakaharapin rin nila ang South Korea pag nagkagera sa West Philippine Sea.
Yan na, Chino, makinig ka. Pag makipaggera ang Pilipinas sa China, sigurado may paggera na rin ang South Korea. So lagot hindi lang South Korea, marami pa mga kalyado ang Pilipinas ang Japan, Australia, Amerika, Germany. Patay. Dapa ang Chino.
President Yoon and I covered several areas of cooperation, including defense and security, maritime cooperation. President Yoon and I likewise exchanged views on regional and international issues such as the West Philippine Sea, including maritime order and safety in the Asia-Pacific region. We have signed a memorandum of understanding between the Philippine Coast Guard and the Korean Coast Guard on maritime cooperation. My heartfelt thanks to President Yoon and his delegation for this very fruitful visit. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am immensely honored and privileged to make this state visit to the Philippines, a core partner of the Republic of Korea in the ASEAN, especially in this momentous year as we celebrate the 75th anniversary of our diplomatic relations. 75 years ago, the Philippines became the first nation in Southeast Asia to establish diplomatic relations with the Republic of Korea. During the Korean War, the Philippines deployed the largest contingent of troops among Asian nations in defense of Republic of Korea, for which the Korean people remain deeply grateful as a true friendship. Sense of solidarity forged in blood. Through my visit to Manila, I saw firsthand the ongoing dynamic development of this great nation under the leadership of President Marcos Jr. I also witnessed the infinite potential of Korea-Philippines relations. Today, President Marcos and I opened a new chapter of our partnership by elevating our relationship to a strategic partnership. August, our two countries concurred to strengthen strategic partnership in the security front. We agreed to enhance our cooperation in defense industry. In particular, Korea will actively take part in the Re-Horizon 3 phase of the modernization of the AFP. Also, based on the MOU on maritime cooperation signed today, our two countries will reinforce maritime security partnership in such areas as tackling transnational crime, information sharing, and conducting search and rescue missions. We shared a common understanding about the importance of peace, stability, and safety in the South China Sea, which is a critical sea lane of communications in the region. In this regard, our two countries will continue to work together in order to establish a rules-based maritime order and for the freedom of navigation and overflight pursuant to the principles of the international law in the South China Sea. Leaders exchanged views on a wide range of issues in the region and across the globe and agreed to strengthen strategic cooperation in a bid to uphold the rules-based international order. The Philippines, who shares common values of freedom, human rights, and the rule of law with Korea, is a key partner in the implementation of Korea-ASEAN Solidarity Initiative and
Yes.
Korea's Indo-Pacific strategy. Also, President Marcos and I reaffirmed that the international community will never condone North Korea's nuclear programs and its reckless provocations,
Yun.
as well as its illegitimate military cooperation with Russia.
Ito na ba ang
Yun, nakita nyo naman na talagang pumunta pa ang presidente ng South Korea sa Pilipinas para magbigay pugay at sabihin na talagang makipagtulungan sila sa Pilipinas in case na magkaroon ng gera between Pilipinas at mga singkit na incheck na yan. So talagang magpartner talaga sila kahit noon pa. So talagang maasahan talaga ng Pilipinas ang tulong ng ating kaalyado, no, ang South Korea. Yan, okay yan. So magandang yan, partnership. Kaya ikaw, China, lagot ka na. Kaya magbalot-balot ka na. Mag-isip-isip ka na. Dapat lumayas ka na sa West Philippine Sea. Okay. Okay, so kung nagustuhan nyo itong mga ganitong mga reaction video, please kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, please like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel bago tayo magsara. Okay?